our topic is correct form of verb. This is third video, third part, and this is last one. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today our topic is correct form of verb. This is third video, third part, and this is last one. In next video we will discuss next topics. Today I will tell you how we will use future indefinite, continuous perfect and perfect continuous. We will start from future indefinite. Future indefinite, the structure of it is very simple. It is we will use shall, will, with first form, and as you know that we use shall with I and we, and with the rest we use will. When these words come shortly, soon, next, after, tomorrow, so we will use future indefinite tense. For example, I soon meet him. So I will use I shall soon meet him. I mean that we will choose this tense, and we can put soon anywhere. I shall soon meet him. I shall meet him soon. So that is not compulsory that soon will be here and there. We will have a discussion on it in next video where I will put it. What will be its meaning? They write to me tomorrow. Once again, I am talking about tomorrow. This is about future, so that is compulsory that I will use here. They will write me tomorrow, and I told you that we will use will with the other than I and we. So these are some examples. I can give you some other example. Shortly I will visit you. Shortly I will talk to you. I will talk to you shortly. Next week we will have a meeting. We will continue our teaching next week. After few days we will start harvesting the crops. Got it? So these are some examples with which we can choose this tense. Got it? Next one, future continuous tense, where I will use future continuous tense. That is once again not a difficult task to choose this tense, because future continuous is not used in daily conversation. We use it very minimum, but even then we will discuss it. We will use will be, shall be with ing form of the verb. Where we will use it? We suppose we shall be driving the car we shall be driving the car when we start, when we go there. For example, if I tell you we shall be driving the car, if I am going to learn driving, if I am going to drive my car, so very specifically I will tell the time in future that in this time, by this time, that thing will be progressing. So same is the case. That's it. We will be driving the car. Very specifically, I tell you by this time tomorrow I shall be painting my house, and that is compulsory that I will use this one, and that is 100% true as well, that inshallah we will paint our house tomorrow. So by this time tomorrow we shall be doing painting of this, we shall be painting this. So once again I am telling you very specifically about future, and I am telling you that a certain action will be in full progress. Got it? Next tense. And in next tense that is same, but in future, in a specific time, that work will be completed. I will tell you about the completion of this one. Perfect tense. Its structure is will have shall have plus third form of the verb. They will have cut the trees by then. It means that in future I am telling you a specific time, that by this time a certain work will be completed. So I will use this tense. Okay, before I complete they will have gone. So when I use before with present indefinite tense, so once again I will use this tense with will have with third form of the verb. And if I say by the end of 2021 we shall have won against corona. Got it? So I'm giving you in future a very specific time, by the end of 2021, for example on 31st December, I'm telling you that we will win this match. So it means the whole action will be completed. Now future perfect continuous tense. In perfect continuous tense we use perfect continuous tenses. I'm telling you once again that we do not use this tense in our daily conversation. We do not use this tense in daily conversation. We use it but just 1 or 2%. Very rare we use it. Once again there will be since and for, but in future. For example, I shall have following you for 2 years next July. In next July I will have been following you for 2 years. It means there will be 2 years duration completed in July. In next July I will complete 2 years of duration, and that is the action that I have been following you. By next month I shall have been doing this job for years. So once again I am using you by the next this month some certain action will be completed for years. So this is about future. Inshallah in next videos I will talk you some more about parts of speech. So do not to forget to follow me. Do not forget to share it with your friends. Do not to forget subscribe. Follow me on Instagram Shehzad 098. Thank you so much for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.